Hi guys, Elizabeth here. I got my Play by Sephora box for September 2018. Yay! It's that $10 beauty subscription box from Sephora. So a lot of your products you get in it, you can just get Sephora, go to Sephora and pick them up if you want to purchase the full size versus having to get online or whatever. Okay. The theme this month, why not try these innovations? I got a $50, be nice, pay $10 and give $50. No, I got a 50 points card if I purchase anything at Sephora before the expiration date, which September, so it usually be an October 31st expiration date. It's usually the end of the month following when you get the box. So, I've got my little cheat sheet. Let's see what's going on. I did hear about this. Open bag, pours out sample, high five self. That's what it says on the back. Instead of the drawstring, they've got this new zip. Well, it's not, it doesn't have the zipper, but it's a relockable bag. It's supposed to be, what do you call that? Play by Sephora, loves the planet. Make sure you recycle this bag when you're done with it. I'm not sure my recycle takes plastic bags like this. So, I don't know, but I'm definitely going to try to use it again. It's got a, like Play Sephora. Let me try to get the bag closer. Dump it all out. See what we've got. Ooh. But yeah, I've got a lot of things like with kids' toys and stuff. I got 2 grandkids and stuff that I definitely could reuse this for. Okay. Peter Thomas Roth. Hungarian thermal water mineral rich atomic heat mask. So I don't know, is thermal water better than any other water? Let's see. Oh, it's got the foil on it. Since it has the foil on it, I might put that in to a giveaway, so I won't show you what it is. You guys know I much prefer to have the sheet masks, and whenever I think, oh yes, I'm going to go ahead and use these, I never do. So it does have the foil on it, so that will be in a giveaway. So you guys can tell me what it's like. One of my kitties just jumped on top of my stuff. Right, Moisturize Sunday Riley Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream. Okay, water is the thing today. It's got, I don't know if you can tell with the lighting, it's got kind of a greenish, bluish look to it, but it doesn't feel like a gel, it feels like a lotion. Well, a thicker lotion, like a body lotion. And feels good. I would definitely be using all the moisturizers they send me. Probably. For the primer, Radical Reviver Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. I have tried this before. It is not my favorite. Basically in a primer, I don't believe this is a silicone primer. Basically in primers, no, it's a lotion primer, which doesn't do a whole lot for me, but I am going to keep and use it because my silicone-based primer is almost done. For my primers, I need silicone spackle blur action going on, but I will use it because I'm almost out of primer, but it's not my fave. Nude Sticks. Dual purpose matte color pencil in a rosy hue that works for lips and cheeks. I shouldn't have done that. Oh well, I'm going to try it. I was like, I'm not that much into matte. Ooh, I like that color though. I will try it, and it is a crayon, so it doesn't feel as drying. Well, now I think I'm going to try that. Wow. You're supposed to be able to put it on your cheeks. Spiff up your cheeks some. I don't know if I'm putting enough to even do anything on. But I'm excited about that. I wasn't when it first talked about being matte because I don't like the drying on my lips. But this crayon formula feels really, really nice. Okay, I've changed my mind. I'm going to try it. I'll let you know in a future video or empties or whatever whether it dries up my lips or not. Buildable Breakthrough Sephora Collection Lash Craft Big Volume Mascara in black. Yay! I have never tried this one, or if I have, I've totally forgotten about it. I don't remember anything looking like that. I just finished, it probably won't be up till after this video, my 7 summer flings, and where I finished up my mascaras, and I had purchased Maybelline Falsies to replace them, and I don't care, it's what I have on today, but I don't really care for that one. So I'm definitely going to open this up and try it next time I put on makeup. So I'm excited about that. The last thing, Victor & Rolf Flower Bomb Nectar. It's a perfume sample. I can't sniff it, guys. You know I have that coughing issue. So I'll tell you the notes. Meet the blend. Fragrance, family, warm, and spicy. Which, you know, is good coming up for fall, winter, though I personally prefer clean scents or fruity scents. Top notes, osmanthus and orange blossom. Middle notes, tonka bean liquor. And base notes, gunpowder accord. Don't know, not gonna sniff. I know I don't care for the flower bomb. And I don't want to start hacking up my lungs in the video. Okay, that wasn't, I guess hacking up lungs is not, it's not a good visual there. So that's it. I've got the mask that one of you guys, if you're subscribed when I do my giveaway, will be getting from Peter Thomas Roth. The Sunday Riley Moisturizer, which I'm excited about. The Hangover Primer, which I am going to use until I get another primer. The Nude Sticks in Kiss. Oh my God, let me put it up there. That beautiful. The Sephora Mascara, which I need a new mascara because I only have the Maybelline Falsies that I'm doing now that I don't care for. And a perfume that'll get passed on to a friend. Here's what I don't understand. I'm not allowed to send perfumes. Like, I would put it in, like, the giveaway box, but I'm not allowed to send perfume, so how are they allowed to send it to me? What's going on here? I don't know. If you know the answer as to how you can get perfume in the mail, but you're not allowed to mail it out, let me know. That's it for the Sephora Play box. It's got one of these new zip things. I'll see how, you know, whether I actually use it, but I can actually see me putting, like, the kids, like, extra travel crayons or markers or stuff in that. So that's kind of neat. Talk to you guys later. Bye.